Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power completely. Shut down, unplug the power cord, and disconnect any surge protector. Once done, ground yourself, anti-static strap or touch the metal chassis to avoid damaging components. Next, remove the side panel and locate the front panel header on the motherboard and the 2-pin power switch cable from the case. You'll need a small flashlight to read tiny labels. Make sure the cable is free of zip ties so you can trace it to the switch without tugging. Now access the button assembly by removing bezel clips or unscrewing the front panel. Be careful not to break plastic tabs. Once exposed, disconnect the switch cable from the case and the small plastic actuator if present, then unplug from the motherboard header. Note orientation of plus and if labeled. Insert the replacement switch assembly into the same spot and route its cable along the original path. Clip or tape it to prevent snagging. Reattach bezel and confirm the button moves free. Finish by replacing the side panel and reconnecting the power cord and peripherals. Power on the PC. If it boots, you're done. If not, power down and try a simple test. With power off, momentarily short the 2 power header pins with a non-conductive screwdriver handle or metal blade to verify the motherboard will start without the switch. If it starts, the new switch may be faulty or miswired. If it still won't start, double-check cable seating, header orientation, and that the PSU main switch is on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.